Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious Korean style rolled omelet with ham and cheese. So let's get started. Alright, for the main ingredients to make our delicious Korean style rolled omelet with ham and cheese, we have 2 nice slices of smoked ham, right? 2 slices of American cheese, 2 nice green onions that we're going to chop up, and 3 large grade A eggs. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, let's put some of this aside. Alright, now let's slice up our green onions. Yep, okay, I don't think anybody wants these roots, but I think you can grow them in your garden again, right? So we're going to take our aceti knife and we sharpened it with our any sharp knife sharpener. So it should do really good. So let's go ahead and cut off our roots, about right there. And we'll go ahead and chop these up, you know, kind of fine, like 1/8 of an inch or so, or 1/4. Now you can use green onions like we're doing here, or you can use regular onions like a yellow onion or a white onion. Just chop a little bit up and put it in there. This adds a lot of flavor and color. That's why we're using the green onions today. Chop them up kind of fine. And watch your fingers, guys. Kind of keep your knuckles, you know, turned under like that, and your knife will slide right along there. Now it doesn't matter if some of them are a little bigger. It'll be okay. Alright, let's go ahead and put them in a little bowl. Now we may or may not use all these, but we have them chopped up in case we do, right? Where'd that guy go? There he is. Alright. Okay, there's our green onions all chopped up nice. Let's put them aside. And we'll bring in a nice sized bowl. Okay, now we're going to take our 3 eggs and we're going to crack them in there. Alright, now we're going to add a little salt to taste. A little bit of pepper. Garlic powder. And some onion powder. And a little bit of parsley flakes. Okay. Alright, now let's go ahead and beat them up, right? Alright, let's beat them up. Okay guys, that's looking good. Alright, there's our egg mixture all beat up nice. And that'll make a delicious Korean style rolled omelet. And we're going to add the ham and cheese. So let's get started doing that. And today we're going to use our brand new Ware Nordic Ware mini grill. Look at that. And that is ceramic coated. And that'll be really non-stick. And it's got about 3/4 of an inch edges on it, and it's probably high enough to make our delicious omelet. And it's about 7 inch, maybe 7 inches wide, right? And it looks like you can do anything on there and nothing sticks, right? So we're going to give it a try. But I did go ahead and put a handle on the end. Can you see it? And I'm going to probably put a little piece of wood here. Now all I did was bend this tab up and drill a hole and I put a bolt, and it's stainless steel washers and stainless steel nut. And maybe I can turn it sideways so you can see it. And I'm probably going to put a little wooden handle right on here, right? That'll make it easy to pick up instead of clamping something on the side. They do make clamps for the sides of pots and pans that you can use to pick up things, and I didn't feel like buying one of them. I wanted it more permanent, right? So I made a handle. Alright, let's get started using our Nordic Ware Verde Mini Grill. And they've been making these since 1946. And they're made in USA. Maybe I can show you that little made in USA sticker there. See right there? Perfect. Alright, let's get started, guys. Alright, and today we're using our Nordic Ware cookware. It's a mini grill, and they've been making these since 1946, so this should be good and non-stick here because it's ceramic. And we went ahead and took off the label and we washed it down good. Now let's set our burner to medium. Alright, and we're going to put a little peanut oil in the pan here. Now you can use whatever kind of oil you want. And we're going to go ahead and brush that around, get the edges. Now, since this is non-stick and ceramic, you don't need a lot of oil. But we're going to put it around our edges. Okay? Okay, and now we're going to take our egg mixture and we're going to mix it up a little bit. Alright? And we're going to go ahead and pour maybe a third of that in there. Just like this. Wow, that really is non-stick, guys. Okay, now we're going to take our ham and cheese, right? And we're going to put that on there. We'll take one slice of ham, put it up here. We'll take another slice and we'll put it over here. Just like that. And we'll take our cheese and we'll fold it in half, and we'll put it up here, just like this. Alright, and we'll take some of our green onions and we'll put them on there. Now remember, we're not going to use all these, I don't think, but we're going to put some on. Okay, there you go. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and fold this up, just like that, and we're going to skid it back down here. Okay, we'll take a spatula and we'll help us out here and we'll flip it over, just like that, and we'll skid it back here, and we'll add a little more of our egg mixture, probably all of it. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can roll this up again. Drag it back. Roll it up again. Okay, let's skid it back a little. And let's see if we can flip it over again. Beautiful, look at that, guys. That really turned out nice. Alright, our delicious looking Korean style rolled omelet with ham and cheese is done. So let's shut off our burner. And let's plate that up, slice it up, and we're going to have a taste. Boy, does this sound good. Okay guys, here it is. Look at that. Boy, doesn't that look nice. That's our delicious Korean style rolled omelet with ham and cheese. Now let's get that out of there on this cutting board and we'll slice it up and see how we did, right? Alright, let's get it off there. Put it on our cutting board. Wow, guys. That looks really, really good. Let me move it up a little bit so you can see it better. Okay, there you go. Let's go ahead and slice this up and see how we did. Now you're going to need a really sharp knife for this, or a thin knife, right? And we're going to go ahead and slice into it just like this. Boy, is that hot. All right. All right, let's flip them over so you can see them. We'll just put that one like that. Put this one sort of like this. And that one like that. Look at this, guys. Boy, are they nice. They're pretty. Alright. We did a really good job here, guys. Let me see if I can get this one standing up. Alright. Look at that. Boy, do they look good. Now you can drizzle a little sauce on them if you want. Okay. Alright guys, I can't wait for a bite. So let's have a taste of this one right here. Look at this. Can you see it? Boy, does that look good. Really good. And look at all the cheese and ham in there. And that egg is perfect. Alright, let me put this down and we'll cut this in half. And let's go ahead and have a bite. Beautiful. Alright. Wow, guys, that egg is so nice and fluffy. You're gonna love it. And that ham and cheese in there. Wow. Now put your favorite seasonings on top of there. You know, like a sriracha sauce or even just ketchup, right? Make up your own seasonings or whatever, and boy, is this a tasty breakfast or lunch. Really is delicious. Alright guys, you know what to go good with that since we're having this for breakfast? You probably guessed this one. We're probably going to have a nice large cup of coffee, and that really does sound good, guys. Alright, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Delicious Korean style rolled omelet with ham and cheese. That's what's for breakfast today. And that really does sound good. Yep. I just gotta have another little bite. Boy, does that look good. Alright. Your guests are going to love this. And don't forget to put on a little more of your green onions if you want, before you serve it up. Enjoy, and I'll catch you on the next one.